Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Word open, so start by selecting the text or image you want linked. This is critical because Word links what you select. Once selected, press Ctrl+K or right-click and choose Link. This opens the Insert Hyperlink dialog. Make sure you have the destination ready, a web URL beginning with http// or https// or a local file path like c/folder/file. docx. Now focus on the dialog. Paste your URL into the address field or click Browse to locate a local file. If you selected text, check Display Text. Change it only if you want different visible wording. Use Screen Tip to add helpful hover text. This improves accessibility and clarity. For email links, type mailto, followed by the address. Once configured, click OK. You've created the link, however, continue to check target behavior in the next step. Finish by testing the link. In most Word versions, press Ctrl and click the link to open it. Confirm it goes to the intended page or file. If it fails, reopen the hyperlink dialog and double-check the address. A missing character breaks it. For shared docs, make sure paths are relative or accessible to others, and verify permission settings. If links still fail, copy the URL into a browser to isolate whether Word or the destination is the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.